Hey guys, welcome to another Japanese horror indie game developed by Chilla's Games. Or don't, Chilla's Art, sorry. Yeah, just another one. I've liked all of the other previous ones I've played, so I thought I'd give another one a go. This one is The Ghost Train, and I don't know anything about it, so let's just go. Kensuke Tanaka. That was very, very loud. Okay, so... Okay, the trains have definitely stopped for the night. Why are we here? 最近猫は遊んだことありますか? Have you played with a cat recently? おしゃれすぎる猫カフェ. A way too fancy cat cafe. Oh, that's why I'm bouncing. I'm going down the wrong side here. What else we got? あなたに会いたいです. I want to see you. Oh. Sheesh. Yeah, it's very bright down here. There's some time before I get on. I could use a little smoke break. Man, my throat's parched. I better get something. Also, my stomach would hurt around this time. I wouldn't want to hold it during the ride. So you want to take a smoke break, take a shit, get some food. Good lord, you're busy, dude. Oh, okay. The fuck? Yeah. Shiodan. Produce. Okay. So where are we going? I can't even read it. We're a man, we're gonna go to the bathroom. Oh, this is a gross bathroom. Oh, I've never seen a Japanese bathroom be this bad. Ugh. Oh. Cleaner just fucking left this? Is that it? Oh, I thought that was a big spoon. Use the toilet? Yeah, better than having really bad cramps on the train. Okay. Oh, 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 and it's a Japanese style. Boo. Now we are not going to be Japanese. We are going to actually wash our hands. Japanese don't wash their hands that often. I've seen people kind of like put their fingertips under the water and they count that. I'm like, that's gross. What? No, this is too realistic, man. It's not. I can't wash my hands. No, no, it's too realistic. Wait, why can I see the reflection of a toilet? Nothing's open. The fuck? Why would you have a glass door looking into the bathrooms where men are just gonna be standing here going pee pee? That's weird. I'm sorry. And don't push it. Don't put anything like toilet paper in here. Yeah, I've seen worse than those. Okay, and he's parched, so we're gonna get a drink. Ooh, buy a drink? Yeah, what are we gonna get? Soda. Oh no, looks like you got a tea. Iced coffee. Pink grapefruit. Alright, now where's the smoking room? Oh, bunny. Aww. Uh, 動物病院. Oh, it's an animal hospital, a vet. Gachiman V. Oh, it's a energy shot. Oh my god, kitty. Okay. Is this, yeah, okay, this is a smoking room. Okay, we in here. This is actually pretty... Like, I never understand why they need to have places like this inside a subway. Like, can you not just wait like the 20-30 minute ride home? And I've seen like 5 or 6 people jammed into one of these tiny ass boxes, and like it's just gray from all the smoke, and I'm like, whoa, stanky. Alright. Oh. Do I hear the train coming? Da-dum, da-dum, ga-dum, 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 ga-dum. サラリーマンズ。内側にお下がりください。まもなく電車が参ります。黄色い線で内側へお下がりください。God, how many times a day I heard that. Okay, does it matter which one I get in? No, I guess not. Okay. I always like sitting in this because I can always have a better seat. Green cicadas, like an achievement. Okay. Dude, I would cry if I was on a train this empty. Now I have to get my favorite seat. The corner of the second coach. I have a favorite seat on mine too. Cup noodles. Thank you, movie. Thank you, movie. Seafood aji. Okay. I love reading these. Because it's just so... It's way too realistic. And it brings back memories. The fuck? Oh, hi. Hello. Why are your feet like that? Hello? She's the OL that always rides on the last train. Oh, hello. I'm tired, and I'm guessing she is as well. Girl, your feet are really weird. Makes me uncomfortable. Oh, hello, boobies. Enjoy summer. That is so Japanese English. Pun, 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 pun. Oh. Bruh, this is way too realistic. I would always sit by the corners, too. I don't even know, wait. Oh. I would always sit by the sides, because you don't have to worry about someone else sitting on the other side of you. No, I want to look around a little bit more. Can I run? Can you not stare at me? Like, I'm getting a little creeped out. Like, come on. Boku. Are you the type that doesn't believe in things you can't see? Oh, great. Spirits and ghosts. Ah. Ah, that's great. I love that. Yeah. Oh yeah, offer your seat. Yeah. Don't be a douche. Offer your seat to those who need it. Oh, I can't. Oh. Oh, never mind. I was gonna go explore. Ooh. Oh. Yeah, sometimes you do fight with your friends, but it's okay. God, you're so creepy, lady. Why do we have to be in the same car as her? She's just gonna stare at me. Lady, no, don't stare at me. Ah, you fucking hell. fucking hate cicadas. I fucking hate cicadas so much. Oh, we gotta go ask the lady if we just passed our stop. I hate passing stops, because then you gotta get off the train, transfer to another train that's going back. Oh, it's a pain in the butt. Hi, Grandma. Did you see what just happened?
Yes, I did. But I can't bring my energy up to do anything about it.
Well, good for you. That was my stop. Now I had to take the taxi home.
Shall I go talk to the conductor?
How nice of her. It's obvious she's exhausted from her overtime work. I can tell by her eyes. No, no, please. I can't let you do that. I'll go. You can stay here and rest.
Okay. Well, let me know if there's anything I can help.
Okay.
Guess we're going to go and talk to the conductor and be like, yo, bitch, why you no stop? Oh, look at the penguin.
Yuri Megu. The fuck? That's creepy. Oh my. Oh! Oh, Gakusei Koru Center. Yeah, it's one of those, like, don't drain yourself out in school. Talk to somebody before you. Oh, carrot ice cream? Ninjin soft. Ugh. No, thank you. That's gross. Are you good, girl? You're kind of missing the bottom half of your body there. Why do I hear something like dripping? Alright then. Namaji. What the fuck is this? I'm taking a screenshot. That's amazing. Oh my god. I love it. Hey! Do you have cicadas? No. No, I can't. I will cry. Even video game cicadas. I can't. Oh, that sound is so bad. Escaped? Bzz. 3 escaped. How? Bzz. I'm in a hurry. Could you please move aside? Escaped. Not in a very good mood. Bzz. No good. He's not listening. Whatever it is, I better get what he wants. Oh, I don't want to go and find 3 cicadas. God, I'm so scared of these things. It's not even funny. This is the real horror. Oh god! Guys, I don't like cicadas. Oh, I'm so scared of cicadas. It's not funny. I cried so much in the summers in Japan. I don't know if I can. My eyes are already watering. I don't want to look. Oh my god, it's so fucking gross. Oh. I can take that. Oh god, my eyes are watering so much. I hate these things. I hate them with a fucking passion. Uh, yeah. You didn't see a cicada, did you? Well, Oh, it's so fucking gross. What the fuck? What is that? Ah! I didn't. There's more than 3 that escaped? Oh, this guy's a fucking liar. Oh, I don't want to be in a train with this many cicadas just loose. I would never kill a cicada. I don't kill things that I'm scared of. But I would never touch one and I would never go near one. Does it, how many are there then? I don't like that I can see the shadow of them floating on the ground like that. Yeah, this is the real horror right here, guys. I'm just... Oh, all the cicadas. I feel like I'm playing one of the hidden object games now. Is that all of them? What are you eating? Oh, matcha. The fuck? How do I open the window? I can't open the window for you. Well, the old lady said if there was anything that she could do to help. Let's go ask her if she knows how to open a window. Because obviously my character does not know how to open a window. Hi, lady. No? Okay. Never mind. I tried. I can very obviously see that I have to do something with it, but... God, dude. You're fucking... Why did you bring these on the train? There. I got them. Now leave. Oh, so nasty. Yeah, you can never just walk on up in here. Hey! Hmm? Do you need anything? Do I need anything? Yes, I want the train to stop on the next one, please. You forgot to stop on the previous one. Oh, is that right? I must have been spacing out. I apologize for the inconvenience. We will prepare you the compensation necessary for the mishap. Please leave your contact information here. I don't think that would happen. Ugh. I don't have the time and energy to complain to the railway company. I'm just relieved that it wasn't anything serious. I'll let it pass this time. I don't look forward to tomorrow's work. What am I doing with my life? That's a mood. What am I doing with my life? And we're back. God, that noise is so loud. Are we doing the same shit? I'm gonna go poop. Get a drink. Looks like it. Hello? There we go. Took a while for me to finish my business. Alright. Now we go again and we don't wash our hands because we're disgusting. And we left the door open. That's nice. Can I go in here? I could go in the ladies! Hello. Hello, ladies. I'm a pervert. What can I say? Yeah, we're gonna buy a drink. What did we get? Noi. Noi no ocha. 日本人にはやっぱりお茶. Yeah, that's true. Japanese like their tea. You kill yourself with smoking. So unhealthy. We're done? We're done. Now the train will come. God, this is the dirtiest train station I've ever seen. Original ste... I guess if we get in at the very back of the train, at least then we can go through the train. Right? I mean, that would make sense. Alright, and... we gotta go to our favorite seat. Oh, there she is. Hi, lady. What's up? Here again. Not gonna lie. There's a part of me that's comforted by her always being there. Maybe I should talk to her. Literally yesterday you were like, no. Hey. Typically I wouldn't have the space to talk to anyone, but I feel that the ice between us has broken. I guess it's thanks to last night's incident. Hey. Did you make it home safe last night? Yeah, unfortunately. Why? If it's okay with me, I'm all ears. Thank you. But there's nothing to vent about at this point. It's too late. I don't think there's anything late about talking to someone about their struggles. No! Too late! I'm sorry. It's been tough. And I'd rather not talk about it. Please, forgive me. Okay. Well, I'm sure you've seen me many times already, but I'm usually on this train at this time. So, okay. I'll keep in mind. I'll keep that in mind. I'm here on this train, always sitting over here in this corner, if you ever want to chat. Please, no more cicadas. Please. I can't. Oh, what the? Hello? What the hell? What's the little girl doing here? Kids shouldn't be roaming around the train this late.
Daddy?
I'm not your father.
Yeah, you look different.
Now you better go back to your dad.
Oh, about that. I can't remember where Daddy is. I was chasing a cicada I saw in the window. And now I'm too scared to go back alone. Mister, could you please come with me to find Daddy?
Either way, I can't let a kid be lost here alone. Guess I have no choice. Sure.
Yay! Thank you, mister.
What the fuck? You are so not real. Is this your father? Like... Hey, child. Come on, let's go.
Hey, mister.
What is it?
There's something I need to tell you.
What is it?
Well, I think I had forgotten how my dad looks.
How is that even possible?
I think it's because he looks like any middle-aged guy. That's why I thought you were my daddy. I think the only way is to talk to the ones that look like my dad.
Okay. The fuck? How do you...
My dad just looks like a stereotypical salaryman.
Excuse me. Sorry to bother you. Do you happen to know this girl?
What?
Don't know. Thanks for your help. Why are there so many... Why are there so many people on the train tonight? What's going on? Excuse me. I'm sorry to bother you. Do you happen to know this girl? No. Why? Looking for her parents? Yeah, she said she's here with her father. It's rare for such a young kid to be here alone. What's wrong with people these days? Well, good luck to you. Thank you. Bro, why are you standing? There's so many seats. Excuse me, I'm sorry to bother you. Do you happen to know this girl? No, I don't. I thought you were her father. I saw her sleeping next to you the whole time. This is the strangest thing I've seen in a while. There's nothing funny about it, asshole. You think I'm doing this because I want to? Man. What the fuck? The stench of alcohol. Huh? He's shivering. Hey. What the hell are you doing? Please get me out of here. What's wrong? I swear I saw something on this train. I swear. What is it that you saw? I don't know. It was something out of this world. He's probably just too drunk. I don't have time for this. Okay, well, I'll let you know when I see something then. Hey, by the way, do you happen to know this girl? Hey! He fell asleep. What the fuck? I was expecting something to be at the window. Not up there. The fuck? Hey. Hi. Excuse me, do you know this girl? No. And don't talk to me. That can't be. Her father isn't even on the train. Could it be that he left her alone here? Hey! What in the fuck are you doing? Get back here! Hey! What? Where are you going? And she gone. And she gone. Awesome.
I didn't know you were a father.
No, I'm not. She's not my daughter.
Is she related to you in any way?
No. Why is she making that face?
What does that make you then?
I'm just a stranger. She mistook me for her father. She wants me to come with her to find him.
Okay, I was concerned.
What? No, I would never. Where did she go? What the? Oh god, no. Anything but cicadas, please. Oh, that sound. No. Where's everybody? Nobody's on the train anymore. Hey! Is that the dude that was sleeping on top of the... What? Was I dreaming? That's my stop. What was all that? I'm probably too stressed. I can't even tell what's a dream and what's reality.